Hey, what's up, guys? This is your boy Travis back again here at Big Boy Toy Reviews. And continuing on our Nendoroid journey, we're taking a look at some more Nendoroid dolls. And yes, I hate saying that. This time we are taking a look at Rengoku and Tomioka, sorry, from Demon Slayer. So these are two Hashira. From the Demon Slayer anime. And yeah, the boxes for these, it's unfortunate that they don't give you a window for either one of these or these kinds of Nendoroids. But as you can see, the clothing here, I'm not going to like dress them on the video. I've decided that I'm not going to do that. But yeah, that is the boxes. So obviously I'm doing a this one has the same kind of issue that I think it was Guts that had where my air conditioning vent leaked on it, and so the box is a little wet. Actually, this box is damaged. You can actually, I don't know if you can see that on camera, but there's a ring there. But anyway, let's go ahead and get them out of the package. Alrighty, so we got them both out the box and completely dressed. So let's go ahead and take a look at them. We'll start with Rengoku first because I love Rengoku. So let's take a closer look here. Kind of pan up there a little bit. Okay. So we'll get that stand out the way. Yeah, his face looks great. I love the way his face looks. Love the way his face looks. Very smiley. I like the red, fiery red at the end of the fiery red tips at the end of his hair. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. His outfit, he has the nice little buttons there. Now it's all cloth goods. I like the material. So I'll tell you, all of this was separate, obviously. So if you saw my other video with the Nendoroid dolls, they come completely naked. Nothing on, right? So all of this were separate pieces. These pants were separate, his shirt was separate, his cape was separate. Now I do recommend plugging this into his back so this can stay on. There is bendy wire in his cape, so that's really good. I'm glad they did that, so it stays on his shoulders sits on his shoulders very nicely. You can technically call these I guess shin guards and these feet as accessories because they came separately. You had to put those things on. The feet and the shin guards are separate pieces, but they are done very nicely. I love the way they are painted. I really like that. No, but he looks really good. I love his cape here. It looks so good. Zoom out here a little bit. Yeah, I really like how he looks. He looks so freaking good. I really like this guy. Everything is painted. It's like since everything is cloth, you don't have to worry about a whole lot of paint, and what is painted is really painted nicely. Obviously his hair is sculpted that way. No shading in his hair, unfortunately, but I do like his eyes. They're kind of piercing. Unfortunately, kind of looks like he's looking off to the side, which is not ideal for a figure that just came with one face. But yeah, that's Rengoku. So let's do Tomioka next. I really like his, like, he's also got the looking to the side face, which I hate. Let's get him off his stand here. Actually, so want his to stay in there too. Yeah, I like his outfit too. His little uniform here is essentially the same. It's just blue. Again, just like Rengoku. Sorry, it's almost 12 o'clock here, 12 a.m. here. Just like Rengoku, these were separate. Now, for him, his feet were attached to these, so these aren't separate pieces. But you do have to take his feet off to put those on. His outfit fits very nicely through his little overshirt or whatever, because these holes are really wide and very easy to stick through. So he was nice. He was really easy to clothed, I guess you can say. But his cape, his clothes look really good. It looks just like the anime. Same with Rengoku. He looks awesome. Has a very kind of stern face. You know how he is in the anime. He really don't fuck with anybody. So he looks really, really good. He does have like slight shading on his hair. I don't know if the light is picking that up, but it's kind of like a purplish bluish highlights throughout his hair. I don't know if you can see that. I think I was off the camera there for a second, but it is there. His face is painted very nice. His eyes are done very nicely, and you can take a look at his little toes, his little Nendoroid toes. And they both do have the magnets on the bottom of their feet, so that is a thing still. But yeah, that is it for the aesthetics, I guess. Let's go ahead and get to the accessories they come with. He has the sword and the scabbard. Obviously, these are two separate pieces, so when you do want to simulate that he has a sword out, you can take that out. But that's painted really nicely. That looks pretty good. I don't know if this is exactly how his scabbard looks. I don't remember, but the Mugen Train was a fantastic movie. So that's that. Then here is the unsheathed sword. Now this is awesome. This is really, really cool. I love how that's painted. That looks really freaking good. It has that, and then I'll show this. He does have his little feet. There's the magnets at the bottom, but you have to take those out in order to put his other feet on, and obviously you'll probably never ever put these back on again. So then we have just an amalgamation of stands. He has this stand, and then he has the magnetized stand like the other ones do. And just in case you didn't watch the other video, I'll show you that the bases have metal here, and this can just magnetize right to that. So these Nendoroid dolls come with these kind of bases, as far as I can tell so far, with the ones that I have. So that's cool. I do like that. And then they both do come with like this hook. I think I already showed that. They come with extra hooks, so if you want a thicker hook, you got those. So the stands are the same between both of them, along with the feet. So I'm not going to show that. And then they all still get this neck peg changer thingy that I don't know how to use. So that is it for Rengoku. Let's look at Tomioka's accessories. Let's see, I feel like I'm missing one here. Yeah, I'm missing the scabbarded version of his sword. Alrighty, I found it. So let's just take a look at his sword. So here we have the scabbard version of his sword. Same thing as Rengoku, that does come out. But his a close-up look at his. We can take a look at the handle there. It's nicely painted. But yeah, that looks really good there. Gold paint at the tip. And then we got his sword. Is a Nichiren blade. I do like the kanji there. I don't know if you can see that or not. Might be able to make that out. You might be able to make that out if you know kanji. That looks really good. But it has like a nice like blue to black transition. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of hard to show on camera. You can kind of see the blue there, and then the black is there. Kind of hard to show on camera, but I do like the transition. That looks really good. And that is basically it for accessories for the both of them. They don't come with a whole lot. So let's go ahead and do some comparisons, and then I'll give you my final thoughts. Real quick, I think I forgot to mention the hands that they came with. They do come with a pair of open hands like this, and then they come with their weapon holding hands, which I have right here that I'm using. So it looks like, I don't know if if it's the same for him, but I know for Rengoku, the scabbard could only fit in one hand. It was too small. The hole in this hand was too small to fit this scabbard. So it might be the same for him as well. So just wanted to point that out because I forgot to mention that in the accessory part. All right, so here they are next to the Nendoroid guts and the Nendoroid sexy killer nerfs. So obviously they're smaller than the Nendoroid dolls. Understandable. But that is it for them. Here they are next to Hawks from MHA and Sonic the Hedgehog Nendoroids. So that's how you look with those guys. And then finally, here they are next to some Nendoroid doll counterparts. We have Power and Denji, our Chainsaw Man from Chainsaw Man. And as far as size-wise, they all fit because they are part of the same Nendoroid doll line. So they are the same size. So that is it for comparisons. All right, now my final thoughts. These guys are awesome. I am really into these Nendoroid doll characters or figures. I mean, they are really good. I really like them. I really do. I'm almost tempted to just kind of judge them outside of the normal Nendoroid like rating, you know, because they're just superior than regular Nendoroids. They're just superior to regular Nendoroids. So it's just so, I don't know, maybe I should. Maybe they're just in a whole nother category. They really are. They're just in a whole nother category than your normal Nendoroid. These guys get another 9.5 out of 10, man. These guys are awesome. If you like this kind of stuff, snatch them up if they're still available. I think they're awesome. But other than that, please comment, like, and subscribe. And until next time, peace.